Hey art friends, we've got two brand new draw along books that you can pre-order right now, and they each have their own release date. Our first book, Draw with Art for KidsHub Space, is releasing July 29th, 2025. And inside you'll find 30 step-by-step drawing projects from rockets blasting off to cute little aliens. Just grab your black marker and paper and let your imagination go. Our next book, Draw with Art for KidsHub Halloween, is releasing on August 5th, 2025. This one's packed with 30 fun Halloween characters, like friendly ghosts, pumpkin-carrying dinosaurs, and an owl in a witch's hat. It's perfect for family art night. I had a blast drawing these with Taryn and our 4 kids, and we can't wait for you to try them out. Parents, to pre-order, just click the link in the description below. Whether you're into space adventures or Halloween fun, there's something awesome for every artist. So thank you all so much for your amazing support. I truly love sharing art with you, and I can't wait to see what you create. So happy drawing, and we'll see you in the next lesson.